eyebrow fully covered?
It's okay.
Nice. Hey. Hosh, did you do your Duolingo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because I'm gonna say it's 11:13.
It's day 99.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
There's some food outside.
Winter snow.
Oh, that sounds like quite the treat.
Yeah, you want to go outside?
Only if we're going on a car ride.
Car ride?
Yeah, I think a car ride would be nice.
With food and eat?
Eat in the car ride?
Right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
With some treats?
Oh!
Yes, over.
She was just snoring.
What were you doing? You go outside?
Poor grandma. Look, what car ride?
Hey!
You were literally just out.
I already went.
You were
Oh, dang.
Well, you gotta take her on
I think we're at Momo.
We're at Mobile.
Oh,
do boo-boos. Yeah, but she broke her harness.
Yeah.
Oh, he
So
did?
we have to replace it before we can take her places.
I bet if you put it.
She was covered.
What are you looking for?
That's
Go night.
You just ruined her.
That's okay, baby.
You ruined her life. She's worthless now.
That's
Now
okay,
she's
she'll forget.
sad again.
That's a baby. Good night, night. Night, night.
That's
Night,
what dogs do. Dogs always have.
Doesn't pay attention to anything.
night. Night.
Come on.
Okay, we're gonna skip.
Just trust me, count them. Count them face down. Like this.
Good night. You good night like that?
I have 10.
Yeah, I think Corbin will have 11.
I think you might have 12.
Yeah, he'll probably have 11.
I have 10.
I got 11.
Got
I
10.
have 10.
Let Zachary pick one card, or since you don't know what they are, pick one card and give it to Zach.
8, 9, 10.
I already have 10. I already got 2. Oh.
He
Oh.
drew one. So we'll just take this
What's the
one.
matter, baby girl?
There. That way he doesn't.
You're so cute. Yes.
Good night. You sleepy? Good night.
Look how cute she is with the bow.
You look so uncomfortable.
Turn start?
Baby girl.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, because she doesn't like that.
You gonna do that to me too, huh?
Oh, you're smiling.
Not to me,
Happy
Oh, look at
face.
that.
Oh, daddy.
Are you purring? Are you purring?
Lonnie, did you go? Your turn.
I need
Okay, you're on.
This little girl.
Like 2.
Good night.
Oh, okay. Oh, you need to get to grandma.
You need to do something. Lay down. Thank
here.
you.
Oh,
Don't
my
take mama's spot. And good girl. Oh.
I'll hold your head, okay? Yes, you're so happy. Okay.
Ooh, and you almost rolled off the couch.
Okay, go ahead. Good night, baby girl. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look at that happy face. Night night, baby. Night night. Oh, the smile, grandma.
Why don't
I go to?
One's a face. Whose turn? Did you just have?
You funny walk.
She's trying to figure out who to skip.
You funny walk.
Skip Mola.
Yes, you are happy.
Night night, night night. Night
Look
night.
at smile at.
Mama! You're skipped.
Thank you, son.
No, you're skipped.
Okay.
Okay. Such a good girl.
Watch me pull it. Watch me pull one. All 3 times.
Okay, Zach, you're up.
Same phase, 8.
Oh, Winry, look at your ears.
So happy.
Look at oh, she want grandma. You want grandma. Oh, she said I want grandma.
Okay.
Grandma's leaving tomorrow. I have to be next to grandma. In the meantime, we'll look for some food.
Wait, you see my
Being helpful.
Oh, you got your head stuck?
Leave her be, baby.
No, her head's.
She's fine. She know how to get out.
You have to duck like.
Wanna?
The time I was.
I got Skip.
I don't.
Son, you Skip, mommy.
It's very similar to Asian war.
Hey, Dave.
Kinda.
Hey.
It uses the same principles.
What is?
Isn't it like you
Poker.
bet if you
Well,
don't have
there's
I bet
different
highest.
types. There's different types of poker.
Hey, Dave.
So you got like Texas Hold'em or 5-card stud,
Dave.
blackjack. Those are kind of the three most common
Let's
ones.
skip, yeah, let's skip MoMA.
Dave.
Well, I just got Skip, Grandma.
Yeah, but she could
It would
it
pass
passed
you.
you, so she can skip you.
Why are you guys targeting me, huh?
Because you're the highest or in the lead.
Oh,
Dave.
shoot.
Dave. Did you know Stephen He is in a movie?
Oh my
did not
goodness,
Going bye-bye.
Oh, you're going on the floor.
Yes,
You're
she
not
wants,
on phase 8, sir.
No.
oh, she wants to kiss Grandma.
I'd like to take your face
Oh,
off.
wait a minute, you're right. You are, because you phased. My fault. I didn't mark it down right.
Oh, maybe she
You're
got
good.
too hot.
I think so.
Now
You
Daddy's
weren't collecting
15.
yellows.
The pinch and roll. Because that's the no soothing. Your itch is here. You pinch it and then you roll it back and forth.
Like tell me about it. It's so cheap.
All right, Annie, you're up.
Oh, sometimes I just go like this.
Should have been gathering green though. All right, Mama, you're up.
Roach is still there.
Oh wait, you gotta make my move.
Ooh.
You have a 12 or 1?
Well, Zach, you're getting good with
All
this
right.
game. Good job, Saki.
Oh
Leave
yeah.
me alone. Leave me alone. No, you go night night. It is 12 o'clock. Well, thank you.
It's actually like 13.
Come on.
Just as a 4.
That's like a whole 25 minutes. Yeah, it's just 11. I'm sorry. I wish we could see what time it is on the
Okay,
GoPro.
so we got a 1 over there.
Don't
No.
do it.
It's okay.
We
Don't.
got
Do
a
it.
7,
Okay.
9, and 12s.
I will discard a 5.
No. Again.
Five.
40.
Well,
This is
Danny,
my
you would have
second-
gotten
How long have I been
2
on this
without
stupid
a help.
round?
What round?
Does it look like it would have helped?
Because I would have gotten.
Look how close I was.
What phase are you on?
Raw, how many?
60, 70, 90,
I got 10.
100.
Wait, who was next? Danny? And then Dad.
Oh no, what phase
I
are you
am
on?
finally on phase.
Look how close. Look, 8. Look at this.
55 points for
sorry, baby girl. Count your points.
Oh, how long have I been on this darn phase?
A long time.
50, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, Grandma.
Is that bed? Is that table?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, he's so comfy. He comes to the table. To that.
That would have been very painful.
Wait, where's the card thing that tells what type of phase you're on?
I think I put this extra.
That's for,
Remember that last game where I basically almost had this?
Is this 10?
I don't know.